Exchanges deciphered. One crypto is never enough. So, where do you go when you want to buy more or swap one for another? Exchanges. There are two types of exchanges, centralized and decentralized. On centralized exchanges, you can buy crypto with fiat, trade one crypto for another, and sell crypto for cash and withdraw to your bank. One great thing about centralized exchanges is no gas fees, but you will pay processing fees and a spread. You don't have access to your private keys on a centralized exchange, so there is counterparty risk. If the exchange were to shut down for any reason, you might lose your funds. It's good practice to move your crypto to a self-custody wallet. Centralized exchanges are generally regulated, so you'll have to register for an account and prove your identity in a process called Know Your Customer, or KYC. This is to prevent fraud and money laundering. In contrast, on decentralized exchanges, commonly called DEXs, trades take place on-chain, so you just need a Web3 wallet and some crypto. Connect your Web3 wallet to the DEX and swap one token for another. The token you want is delivered straight to your address. Things to watch out for when using a DEX are gas fees and slippage. Some chains, like Ethereum, can get super expensive when they're busy, so gas might be out of this world. Gas is paid in the primary asset of the chain you're swapping on. For example, ETH on the Ethereum network, SOL on the Solana network, and BSC BNB on the BNB Smart Chain network. In a nutshell, use centralized exchanges for buying and selling crypto and cross-chain trades. Use DEXs for on-chain swaps.